So guys, for the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're on this, we want to expand sound, video and game controllers. And then we want to find our audio driver. So this one's mine right here, Realtek R Audio. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best driver has already been installed, then you want to go back and click on browse my queues for drivers. And click on let me pick from a list. Then you want to select the second one, Realtek High Definition Audio. Click on next and then install it. If it tells you to restart your computer, don't restart it yet until you complete all the other steps in this video. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in mmsys.cpl and click on enter. Once you're on this, you want to make sure that your speaker says default device on it. It will have a green tick. If it doesn't, then click on set default and then it will be your default device. Then you want to double click on it and then head over to the advanced tab and you want to make sure that you have the CD quality selected and then click on OK. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to find the audio troubleshooter. You want to click on run. It will then ask for your consent to run the automated diagnosis to try help solving your audio problem. Click on yes and then follow the steps. Once you complete these 3 steps in the video, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.